The East Asian nation, Taiwan, was hit by a strong 7.7 magnitude earthquake around 8 am on their local time. This earthquake was the strongest in 25 years. This has prompted tsunami warnings for the country. There is a tsunami warning for the parts of southern Japan as well. The Philippines has also issued a tsunami warning. They have ordered evacuation of coastal areas after Taiwan earthquake. The epicenter of the earthquake was at the place called Hualien. More than 50 people are injured and at least 26 buildings have collapsed. More than 20 people were injured. The rescue operation is undergoing. The buildings in Hualien are heavily damaged. Many of the buildings appear to have leaned at 45-degree angles. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.